Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I am going to be showing you how to get this rainbow eye look. I'm also going to be showing you how to get it really pigmented, especially for dark skin. For this tutorial I am going to be using a single palette, and that is the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Before we get into the video, don't forget to click like and subscribe. And if you enjoy watching the video, please leave me a comment below and let me know what you think. If you'd like to connect with me on social media, I will leave the links to all my pages in the description box below. All the products that I use in this video, I will also leave them in the description box below. So let's not waste any more time, let's get right into this video. Now the trick to really get your eyeshadow to stand out, especially on dark skin, is to use a white eyeshadow primer. For this look I'm going to be using the W7 Get Set eyeshadow base, and using my finger I'll be blending that onto my lid and into my crease. Next I'm going to set the primer using MAC Fix Plus. Just going to spritz a bit over my eyelids and let it dry completely. The first color I'm going to apply is going to be this primary red. And using a clean blending brush, I'll be blending that into the outer corner of my left eye. Next, I'm going to be using both oranges from the palette, and starting with the darker orange first, I'll be blending that into the center of my eyelid, blending it into the red as well, and then going over that with the lighter orange. Next I'll be adding the yellow, and using this yellow at the top and this yellow on the third row, I'll be blending that into the inner corner of my left eye, starting with the darker yellow first and then going over that with the lighter yellow, blending it into the orange eyeshadow as well. Next, using a clean blending brush, I'm going to be blending all three colors into my brow bone. Moving on to the right eye, I'm going to be taking this purple from the top corner of the palette, and using a clean blending brush, I'm going to be blending that into the outer corner of my right eye. For the center of my lid, I'm going to be starting with the darkest blue on the third row and going over that with the two lighter blues on the top row. And the last color I'll be applying is green, and I'll be taking this primary green from the third row and going over that with the lighter green on the top row. Once you're done applying all the colors to your eyelid, take a clean blending brush and blend all three colors into your brow bone. Using L'Oreal Super Liner in Black Liqueur, I drew on a simple winged eyeliner. This step is optional, but I do recommend it as it brings all the colors together and gives the makeup look a neater finish. This next step is also optional, but to give more oomph to the winged liner, using a sleek kohl pencil, I lined underneath my top lid. So I did the rest of my makeup and applied lashes off camera, and as a final step I'm going to be using this NYX white eyeliner and applying that onto my lower lash line. The final step is applying MAC Zoom Lash mascara onto my bottom lashes. Final step is bringing it all together with Fix Plus. So this is the final look. Had a quick change of clothes, did my hair, put on some earrings off camera. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, let me know in the comment box below. Don't forget to click like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!